Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I do apologise for not posting any videos lately. My health has been quite poorly. I thought it'd be a good time to share what's in my collection. And first I'm going to start off with my translucent powder and my setting powders. It's just a small collection, but I will be building slowly. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, you can go ahead and show you what's in here. It's just a small collection, so I am building slowly. I'm going to be posting other videos of other parts of my collection, so if you would like to see them, please just go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know. So we'll start for this one. This is a banana setting powder. Never tried this one before. I got it in my glossy box. It's obviously banana. Bellepierre.com. That's who it's by. We have this other one by MAYY, MAYY. This is another banana setting powder. Never tried this one yet. Need to test it out and see what it's like. I have this one, Luna by Luna. This is a really nice one. Got this in my glossy box as well. And it's translucent. It does make your skin feel so soft. I really like it. And I definitely need to try more of these and see what they're like. Because I don't think giving one shot or one try is a fair taster for them. I think I need to try them more than once. So we have this one, Rimmel Stay Matte, and it's in transparent 001. I've tried this once. It's okay. I definitely need to try it more. We have this L'Oreal one, True Match. It's in the shade Golden Beige. This is a nice one. Definitely need to try that more as well. I have this one, Set and Reflect Finishing Powder by MUA Luxe or Luxe. This is a really nice one. If I can get it open. Right, so it's just a transparent one like that. It's pure white. And then you've got this on top, which is like, look at that. That was a tiny wee rub, guys. Absolutely brilliant. Feels lovely. Look at that. Definitely recommend. So I'm going to do more videos with these as we test them out. This is in the shade White Gold. This one's by Gelisy. This is a small brand that not a lot of people have heard of before. I really like this. It's like a baby powder on your face. So soft. And this is a translucent powder. Definitely recommend. Effect. Never tried this out yet. I've got this in my glossy box. And this is transparent as well. So definitely need to be testing that. I've actually got two of these. So both of them came in my glossy box, one after the other. So this is my small collection. I hope you do like it. If you want to see more videos of my collection, please just give me a comment in the comment section down below and we'll get that sorted for you. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.